do that. That's very disrespectful. They don't do that. You have to say sorry to me.
Not me.
Who did that? You don't do that. That's very rude. Yeah, I'm trying to give you a wonderful time, but don't hurt me. Diba? That's not right. We have to be friends here. Don't hurt me. Diba? This guy is very rude. So, who was it? So it's your girlfriend. Both of you are rude. Okay, let's party! Don't do that. That's
Hayun, Vice ganda. Natalakan ang dalawang couple ba? Doon sa kanyang concert sa Canada dahil sa hinawakan ng wig. Gusto daw hilahin. Parang ganon. Alamin natin yan. Dito po ang sabi ni Tsaka Puso. Sobra naman kasi ibang fans. Hindi porket komedyante, pwede na nilang pagtripan. Vice needs respect. Every one of us needs respect. Irespeto natin ang ating mga kapwa tulad ng pagrespeto natin sa ating mga sarili. O di ba mga kaibigan, kahit kakabulihan sila sa Showtime, magkakaibigan yan, pero todo respeto pa rin ang mga kasamahan niyang co-hosts kay Vice ganda. Sobrang laki ng respeto nila kasi kung kaya kahit magulo sila sa It's Showtime at nagkakasayahan, never pinakialaman ng mga co-host niya na si Navong Navarro at saka sino nga yung isa guys? Yung kagawad, kalimutan ko yun, never nila pinakilaman ang buhok ni Vice ganda sa show. O diba? Sabi kasi ni Kipe X official, that's very disrespectful. O diba? Magjowa, natalakan ni Vice ganda matapos hilahin ng wig niya sa katatapos lamang na VG Full concert sa Edmonton, Canada. Ayun, so yun ang nakita nating video kanina in which rude naman talaga din. Alam mo naman na ang hair ay ang pinaka-crown ng isang bakla. Kaya wag po pakialaman ang buhok ni Vice ganda. Ayun, binigyan na nga kayo ng kasiyahan sa kanyang konsyerto. Ginawa nyo pa ng hindi maganda. Kaya tuloy, hayun, nagtalak si Vice ganda. Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang gabi po.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're not